Hello, my name is Darian Gossett, and today I will be discussing toddler development. The first part of development is physical development, where they can hold their head up straight with support, and when they get older, they can hold their head up straight without support. Pulling down on legs when feet are on hard surfaces. Um, bring hands to mouth normally when they're eating. Crawl, walk alone, run, kick a ball. Normally, they walk alone, run, and kick a ball when they're like 2 or 3 in their toddler age. The next development is cognitive development. Um, this is when they pretend to play with others, begin to match and short shapes and pictures and colors. Understand that of shapes and sizes are different, and becoming aware of sequence of numbers. This normally happens when they are in daycare and the teacher teach them things, different colors, shapes, and sizes. The the next two development are social and emotional development. This is when the kid gets frustrated and start crying when they're not getting their way or when they don't get the food or like cookies they want. Um, they find it hard to wait on things and stop playing when it's time to go home. Um, they focus on tasks like putting blocks together and putting the right block in the right shape. Um, learning behavior that helps you get along with others. This is when you see kindergartners or pre-K playing together and socializing, becoming friends with one another, and helping each other out with the shapes and sizes and different numbers that their teacher give them to do. Um, this is a table of physical development. You can see the top part is chin, then uh, chest up. This is normally around when they're about to be one. They're pre-ages, and this is the rollover when they are infants. Sit with support when they're about 1 years old. Sitting without support when they're in between 1 and 2 years old. Standing, holding on to things when they're beginning to be 2 years old. Walking along, and then walking by themselves with no support when they're around 2 years old to 3, depending on the influence of their parents or the environment around them. This shows the social development, um, depending on their environment, how they socialize with others, if they have two of their parents in their lives, if they are with their step parents, their only mothers, and other things. As you can see, if they're with two parents, your child will most likely be high in socializing, or if it's the mother only, they'll be socializing. Um, thank you for this discussion, and thank you.